Your favorite finance gurus tell you to use the debt snowball method. They say it's all about the psychological win. But here's the truth, they're ignoring the math. And ignoring the math is costing you thousands of dollars in interest. I didn't want to just guess based on a blog post. So I ran a real-world experiment. I took $20,000 in debt and simulated the exact payoff path using both the snowball and the avalanche methods. I tracked every penny, every interest charge, and every single month until the balance hit zero. Today, I'm breaking down the case study. I'm going to show you exactly how much faster you can get free when you stop chasing quick wins and start following the numbers. If you're drowning in student loans or credit card debt, this is the fastest way out. Let's dive into the math. You're doing everything right. You've got the job. You're budgeting. But every month, you look at your bank account and it feels like you're running on a treadmill. You pay $500 toward your credit card. You feel a win. Then you check the balance the next morning and it's barely moved. Why? Because the interest is eating your progress alive. This is the debt trap. It's not just the money. It's the mental weight. The constant anxiety that one emergency, one car breakdown or medical bill will send you spiraling back to zero. And then you hear the experts. They tell you to use the debt snowball. Pay the smallest balance first. Get those quick wins. It sounds great on paper. It feels good emotionally. But here's the cold, hard truth. Feeling good doesn't pay the bills. While you're celebrating that tiny $300 win, your high-interest loans are compounding in the background. They are growing faster than you can kill them. You aren't just losing money. You're losing time. Time you could be spending investing, buying a home, or actually breathing for the first time in years. The snowball method isn't a strategy. It's a psychological band-aid. And if you're serious about financial freedom, a band-aid isn't going to stop the bleeding. So let's get into the actual solution. Most finance gurus push the debt snowball because it's about psychology. They want you to feel a win early. But here is the problem. Feelings don't pay the interest. Math does. To prove this, I ran a case study using a typical $20,000 debt load. We have $1,000 a month to put toward this debt. Let's see what happens when we use the snowball method. With the snowball, we ignore interest rates. We attack the smallest balance first. That's the $2,000 credit card. Boom! In 2 months, that debt is gone. You feel amazing. You've got one less bill in your inbox. But here is the trap. While you were celebrating that small win, your $8,000 loan, the one with the massive 22% interest, was growing. It was eating your progress in the background. Now let's flip the script. The debt avalanche. With the avalanche, we don't care about the balance size. We attack the highest interest rate first. That means we ignore the small $2,000 card and put every extra cent into the 22% personal loan. It takes longer to see that first debt disappear. It feels slower. You don't get that immediate dopamine hit. But look at the numbers. In the snowball scenario, you paid significantly more in interest because the high-rate loan sat there longer. In the avalanche scenario, you slash the most expensive debt first. The result? The avalanche is mathematically faster. It saves you hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars, and gets you to zero balance month sooner. So why is the snowball called a lie? Because it prioritizes your mood over your net worth. Now, if you struggle with discipline, the snowball is a fine starting point. But if you actually want to optimize your wealth, you need a system. I use tools like YNAB to track every penny and ensure my avalanche stays on track. If your interest rates are truly suffocating you, you might even look into debt consolidation to drop those rates before you start the avalanche. Bottom line, stop chasing the feeling of progress and start chasing the math. That is how you actually get free. Now, tracking every cent of that $20K was a nightmare. That's why I used Rocket Money to automate my tracking and find hidden leaks in my spending. If you want to stop guessing where your money goes, check the link in the description. So the final verdict. The Snowball felt good for a week. But the Avalanche, it saved me $1,400 in interest and shaved 3 months off my debt-free date. The math doesn't lie. The psychological win of the Snowball is just a more expensive way to pay your bills. Stop giving the banks a tip they didn't earn. If this case study opened your eyes, hit that subscribe button. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Check the description for the tools I used to kill this debt.